pulled out the door wiring. 3 are broken on this side. That's why Shaylee's window doesn't work. So if your door starts acting weird on one of these S's, you can disconnect these 3 connectors. And then these 2 connectors that are connected to the wiring harness in the door. And then these are the connectors on the other end. I just pulled them through the door. And then replacing 3 wires in here because these broke. So once that's done, then I'll be able to put all this back together. These expensive connectors, you can shrink wrap them with heat, and they're the best kind to use. Waterproof shrink wrap connectors.